Generate images with ChatGPT. I need to create an image for Instagram, and for that I will be using the AI image generator called Midjourney. I will give you the Instagram caption I'm going to use and a brief description of the image I want. You will provide me with 5 prompts. Each prompt should include 3 descriptive keywords: the time of day, type of camera, type of lens, and post-processing techniques. Your responses should only include my brief description followed by the keywords, separated by commas. Do you understand these instructions and are you ready to proceed? We're going to use ChatGPT for prompt creation. And with that prompt, go to an image generator and paste it there. Caption: I am mentally at the beach. Image: a middle-aged guy at the office imagines himself lying on a beautiful beach. Now go to your image generator. I'm going to use Midjourney, but you pick whatever suits you best. Paste your prompt, and this is what I got. If you like this video, make sure to get my 20,000 plus ChatGPT prompts collection by visiting the link in description below. These advanced prompts will blow your mind. It's actually on 70% sale now, so grab it before it's too late.